Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Riverside, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close your Riverside account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently close your Riverside FM account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that if you don't manage your different subscriptions, they can kind of get out of hand, and maybe you're not using Riverside anymore. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Riverside dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Riverside account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and permanently delete your account, you're going to click on your initial here on the top right. All right, once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here, account and subscription. All right, once you click there, you're going to see more information about your Riverside account. And in order to permanently close your account, click here on subscription. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this box here, but look towards the bottom. There's going to be a red button here called delete. Now they do warn you that your account would be deactivated and you're going to lose access to all of your content. So make sure that you download those videos first. Now, if you're sure you want to go ahead and permanently delete your Riverside account, click on delete. All right, once you do that, you're going to receive an email from Riverside confirming that you want to permanently close down your account. Let me jump over to that email. Okay, so here is the email that you're going to receive asking to confirm that it's you that's going to close the account. You want to click on this right here. I'm not going to do that because I still use this Riverside account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close down your Riverside FM account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.